A derby to savour, the Manchester derby. It's always passionate when United take on City, and that's what we have on the menu here. Stay with us for every kick of the ball right here on EA TV. Welcome to Manchester, a cracking derby in prospect and everyone on tenterhooks here at Old Trafford. It is United versus City. Derek Ray in the commentary position, joined as always by Stuart Robson. And Stuart, this should be thoroughly appetising.
Well, Derek, what more could you ask for? A noisy stadium, two very good teams and a massive rivalry. This should be an absolute classic.
Well, he really is danger personified, but in this game, Stuart, what do you think we might see from him?
Well, Derek, we know he can score goals in many different ways, but I think he's at his most dangerous when he's running with the ball and hitting his shots with power. It's almost unstoppable for the goalkeeper. That's what makes him a great finisher.
This is the team Manchester United will go with. And a look at the starting 11 for Manchester City.
Well, it's a 4-3-3 formation with a centre forward and two wingers. So it's important that the midfield players give support to the striker whenever the ball goes wide. They can't allow him to be isolated.
Underway at Old Trafford. He continues his run. Sessegnon. Just cutting off the supply. Oh, what an opportunity. Still a chance. Oh, marvellous defending to deny him. On the ball, Lozano. Now can they create something? To be. Oh, it's gone in! A derby goal, the first of the contest, electric!
Well, here it is again, and it's all about the pace in transition. They're so quick to get out from the back, and then through on goal, he just goes for power and smashes it past the keeper. There's no stopping that. What a great finish.
On they go again. A wake-up call for the City players, maybe. Can they find a response now? Joao Cancelo. Just failing to hit the target with his pass. And it'll be a throw-in. It's with Rodriguez. Lozano now. And in with a real chance. Oh, marvellous goalkeeping.
Well, it's a top-class save from a top-class goalkeeper. That's absolutely brilliant.
Now, how about the short corner? Rodriguez. High-quality defending. Counter-attacking, very much an option. And showing fine vision. And quite simply wide of the target. It's with Rodriguez. Caballero. Sessegnon. And unable to keep possession. Running with the ball confidently. Excellent ball over the top. And he thwarted the attack with a masterful tackle. Caballero. Tremendously strong in the tackle. Foden. Options in the centre. This could level it. Oh, but the keeper with an important save. How important is that?
Well, he should score from there. That's a wasted opportunity. He should beat the keeper from that sort of distance.
Haaland. Haaland! Well, diving magnificently to make sure he got there. And deciding to go short with this one. Dani Olmo. Top-class defending. Now Leon. Chances on. And a goal here for Manchester United. They are the big favourites now.
Well, let's look at this again, Derek, because the transition when the ball changes hands is so quick. And once he gets onto it, he just smashes it past the keeper with great technique. What an emphatic finish that is.
So underway once more, 2-0 the lead here. Joao Cancelo. Well, not hard to read that pass.
Well, United have certainly controlled the ball, as you can see. And that's been because of their ability to win the ball back so quickly. Their pressing has been excellent, and they just haven't stopped working.
And a goal this time! Applying the finishing touch. Just what the doctor ordered.
Well, just look at his strength here. He holds off the challenge, he keeps his balance, and he finds the back of the net. It's a wonderful goal.
On they go again, and United beginning to run away with this. Inching towards the interval, and it's going with home advantage. Stuart, as always, very keen to get your take.
Well, what a first-half performance this has been so far. They look like scoring every time they go forward. The positional rotation, the ability of players to run with the ball, and the passing have been brilliant. Let's hope we see a similar display in the second 45.
And an attempt best forgotten, I think. Here's a change for Manchester United. Haaland. And we will have a couple of additional minutes at the end here. Oh, that's an interesting pass. Well, nothing comes of the attack when all is said and done. And the free kick awarded to Manchester United. And so the referee blows the whistle. We've reached the halfway point here at Old Trafford. So the second half underway, and City left with a real mountain to climb. Gavi. Back to Milik. And rattling the post. Not too fussy in clearing his lines. Good pressure to win the ball back high up the pitch. Electing to cross into the centre. Now the attack fizzled out.
Well, they won't come much closer than that. It's a matter of inches from being a really good goal.
Well, having been denied by the woodwork, now the focus is on keeping the opposition at bay. Opportunity here. Oh, keeper dealt with it. Well, they're going for the short one. Oh, and a wonderful stop. But now we see that the offside flag has gone up. Machado. Leon. Milik. Possession given away, unfortunately.
Thank you.
So Bosley. And we very much hope you'll join us for more live Premier League action on EA TV. It's Manchester United.
Oh, Derek, can he finish it here?
Really sound goalkeeping.
Well, that had to be a goal, didn't it? What a stop that is.
Well, the short corner routine. Happy to take on the shot. Just narrowly off target. And Leon. Well, this could pose problems for the defenders. And it's come off the keeper. Well, a time for composure on the ball. So Bosley. Erling Haaland. It is a decent looking attack here. And space for him to cut in. And the counter-attack is on. Options available. Will they profit from this situation? And he's in. Another goal! The lead grows to 4 now. A rampant display.
Well, here it is again, and the pace in which they break forward is devastating. It's so hard to defend against, and there's certainly no doubt about the finish. He really hits it with power and accuracy. Nothing the keeper can do about that.
A lopsided contest, 4-0. Perfectly positioned to take it away. Don't forget, we have more live action from the Premier League coming up here on EA TV.
He's through on goal here, Derek.
Oh, marvellous goalkeeping.
Well, it's a top-class save from a top-class goalkeeper. That's absolutely brilliant.
Played over. Cleared away comprehensively. Foden. Cancelo. And he takes it away. And just losing control of the ball, and it will be a throw-in. Diaz. Ronald Araujo. The ball with Rodri. Back to Haaland. Given away by City. Gutierrez. Oh, couldn't quite find his teammate. Well, the seconds are ticking away and the home side in control. Stuart, what have you made of this?
Well, what an excellent performance this has been. They've had complete control for most of the game. Their movement, clever passing and energy have been a joy to watch. It's been a really good win for them.
And still pressing. Marcos Acuna, an important interception. Haaland. Well, far from the ideal pass, you've got to say. Good use of advantage in United's favour. Oh, big chance. Well, they pulled one back, but perhaps a bit too late in this contest. They haven't been at the races this evening.
Well, let's look at that again. I'm almost lost for words here, Derek. It's really sloppy defending. You can't be giving the ball away in such a dangerous area like that and not expect to get punished. It's just really poor.
Goals in plentiful supply. 4-1 currently. And so it is, full time. The referee blows his whistle, and it's Manchester United who prevail. It's Manchester United who move on.
Well, what a good attacking display that was. The passing, movement and creativity were of the highest quality. They'll certainly be confident going into the next round.
And in the final analysis, a really positive performance from this man, Stuart.
Well, I have to say, that was impressive. Not just his goals, but his all-round play. He was excellent.